I made this video like 3 months ago, but enjoy. A lot has changed since the 2 months I haven't posted. I'm not gonna do any of that stupid, like, my life has changed. I mean, it has. A lot. You in the backyard and you're all fine in the summer. For starters, this is no longer my room. I moved out like 2 weeks ago, not out of the house, but into this room. My sister and her husband moved out. I got the best room in the house now. I know. I've been moving, my sister's been moving, and I've also been working really hard on something. I've been working really hard on soccer, my soccer career. I'm going to be a senior in high school in this upcoming school year, and I'm trying to play in college. So I've just been working really hard on soccer, been playing pretty much every day, been super busy with it. I'm actually going to Europe in 2 weeks for soccer. I might film it, I don't know. But yeah. My whole setup is now in my room, so that is pretty fun. This isn't a room reveal. That'll come when it's done. It's 6:30, so I'm not gonna film anything for the rest of today. I will vlog tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. It's definitely not the next day. It's been like 4 days, but you know, there's an excuse, there's a reason. I filmed and edited a full other video before I finished this one. But today we are going to a beach house, so like why not vlog today? It's raining outside. It's a terrible day to go to the beach. It's okay, we're staying over. Man, what a great day to go to the beach. A rainy beach day? That sounds kind of fun. Man, my hair looks really blonde right now. It's because my face is burnt to a crisp. Beach, beach, beach. We are at the beach. It's actually not bad out. We got a little private beach on the lake. There's a beach down there. Oh, there's Kevin. He just flopped. I don't know if I got that. It's so cold, holy crap. Inside your mind, my dear. Canada! Oh, that died. Oh, there we go. It's cold. It's terrifying. He catches it and he spins it. It's over the head. Catch. World star! You always one-handed for two! Oh, you're the quarterback. That was almost good. I like juggled it. Inside your mind, it's so hard. Ow! What a cat! You always